Hello, welcome to my channel for my Rastoke Croatia Walkng Tour. Rastoke is one of those unique places that truly feels like a fairy tale. On the confluence of two rivers with 23 waterfalls, it's also a historic mill town. Rastoke is called the Little Plitvice after Plitvice Lakes National Park, just 30 kilometers away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel content. Now let's go.
So here's a good map of how to do a walking tour here. First of all, just notice we have the Slunj River, however you say that, and then we have the Karst River, which comes from Plitvice, and you follow the blue line. So I started here and followed it, and this is where I paid the €5 to get up close. Came back down, and voila, here we are. Oh, look at this. Cafe bar. Is that the name of it? Check out this. This is where I'm sitting. How's this? Cheers, right? To Rastoke. Alright, look at this. Woo! Lovely. I've literally got it all to myself. Oh my god, I am in heaven right now. There you go. It's on this side. Along here. Of the waterfalls here. So the first one, the booth, this is the largest, which is that one. And we're going to continue to this one and this one. To go down closer, they've got, you just pay €5 here, which is totally worth it. We can get down up closer and we'll see where that takes us. But yeah, I gotta pay €5 here. It's definitely worth the €5 to get up close like this. Look at this.